Many business owners and business leaders tell us that they are too involved in the business, and actually the business can feel overly reliant on them and that they're indispensable. Typically they spend a lot of their working week solving problems, putting out fires, getting involved in operational issues, and it can even feel like sometimes they're taking on other people's roles, doing their job for them. So in our experience, the solution to that is developing their emerging leaders, developing the next tier of managers. So if you've got the right people in those management roles and they've got the right skills, the right training, the right tools, then what we find is that they can effectively take responsibility for leading their own teams, leading their own part of the business. And that enables the senior management team or the leadership team to be far more strategically focused so that they can move the business forwards and focus on that strategy. If any of what I've said is of interest to you and you would like to come along to a masterclass as our guest, then please contact us today to find out more. Thank you.